Hi, I'm Dr. Alana Levine. I'm a pediatrician and the mother of 2 children. In this video, I will share my advice on bathing. Bathing a child is one of the great parenting pleasures. It's a wonderful time to bond with your baby and enjoy one-on-one time together. I recommend giving your newborn a sponge bath until the umbilical cord falls off. As newborns aren't out playing and getting dirty, 2 to 3 baths per week is usually sufficient. Be sure to cover the body parts that aren't being washed to keep your baby warm and cozy. Once the umbilical cord falls off, transition to an infant tub for bath time fun. Test the water with your elbow to make sure it's the correct temperature. Your house hot water heater should be set at 48 degrees Celsius or less to avoid burns. Waterproof toys provide a great way to make the bath functional for getting clean, but also lots of fun. Always be within arm's reach of your child in the tub and keep your attention focused on your baby. Leave your cell phone in another room so you don't get distracted. As your child grows, you will likely find yourself bathing more frequently. It often becomes an important part of the nighttime routine. Add a gentle massage after a bath, a bedtime story, and a sweet cuddle, and your child should be relaxed and ready for a good night's sleep.